Hi friends, the next topic is going to be data types in Python. So we will be discussing how to declare a variable and what are the available data types in Python and how to use it in your Python source code. So these are four different types of data types available in Python as a first level data type: integer, float, string, and boolean. Second level: list, tuple, dictionary, and set. So this list tuple dictionary and set is a little bit wider concept and has to be discussed in separate videos. So we will be having list tuple dictionary and set in each data type will be discussed in a separate video. But now, for now, we will be discussing these four alone in this video. So as we know that Python allows four types of data types can be used in source code. So first, how should we declare a variable? It is very simple. We don't need to explicitly give like int I or string j, something like that in Python. This is not required. Directly add the variable name. For example, I equal to 10. So Python compiler will check the value and automatically it finds that this is integer value and it will create a space for integer and it will assign in the variable I. Then we will be declaring a float now. J equal to 3.14. So by default this is not a decimal value, this is a float value. So Python compiler by default adds this value to this variable. Now k equal to, so I am declaring a string value, and finally a boolean value. Either it should be true or false, that's it. So this is how we have to declare any data type in Python. So if we want to just print that value, we can do that. See, fine. Then let me just tell you an interesting feature here. I have declared this I value as 10 and printed its value. Now I'm just I'm just assigning the same I value to a string. Whether this will work or not, this will definitely work. This is possible in Python. See, first it is saved as 10 and that is why it is printing 10. Then I have converted that into string and string value is printed. So this is the basic example of all the first level data types available in Python. It is very easy to use all these, and on the next video we will be discussing on the complex data types like list, tuple, dictionary, and set.